Welcome to day 18 of our 30 days pattern drafting class. In today's video, we shall be learning how to make this dress. I can see it's a dartless dress. However, it has a plunging V neckline. In this video, we're going to learn how to cut the deep V neckline and how to also pay attention to our couture guidelines. First of all, we're going to go on and contour the bodies. To do that, we're going to first divide our shoulder into two, like so. We'll then go on and contour the shoulder area. This is our bust point. Let's assume our bust radius is here, that is our under bust. So I'll just go on and draw a straight line here and label it UB. That is under bust. At this point, we're going to go on and create a circle using freehand for the control guideline. The neckline, like I said, it's a plunging. From the style you can see it's a plunging neckline. In fact, it goes beyond the bust line. So if this here is our bust line and this is our under bust line, neck goes very close to the under bust line. From the under bust line, say we go up by 1 inch, then connect this point here to this, the controlled shoulder guideline. The reason why we have this is after creating this neckline and after cutting it out, this place is supposed to pull up your neckline so it doesn't gape. Now, what you should note is that despite this contour guideline, this neckline is going to gape. Now, to avoid gaping, this is what you're going to do next. At this point here, we're going to mark the neckline couture. To do that, measure your entire neckline, that is for your basic block, and whatever you get, you divide it by 2. So I'm just going to work this as my midpoint. Then you draw a straight line at this point like this and connect. Mark our contour guideline here and here. What usually happens is this guideline would naturally cross over this neckline. Let me erase it so you'd be able to see the space in between. So whatever space you have in between, like we do here, is what you will now close as your control guideline, so your neckline doesn't gape. We will then go on and slash this line, enable us control properly to allow you lap properly. So you lap it like this. After slashing, make sure it stops as exactly where you controlled, and you stop here. You're going to have something like this, but that's not a problem. Hold this down with a tip. Place a piece of paper under. July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. Note the difference. Place it under and blend your neck area. I don't know if it's visible to you, but there's this paper here that is showing, which is you blending your neckline. So you hold it down with a tip. And that is how you cut a neckline this deep. You do it like this, your neckline is not going to gape in any, it will fit. First of all, you have taken out excess here at this point, so it is going to make it tight. And then you have also taken out an excess at this shoulder area, and this is what your final pattern looks like. You have a dart here, you have a dart here.